Hello traders, it's Daniel Martin and I got exciting news for all of you. I do have a strategy for free. Not any strategy, the SMC strategy, and a strategy that actually simplifies the works for all of you. So this strategy is just simpler, easier, and will be a start to make you to get confident to the market. But you will need to pay something? No, absolutely zero. Nothing is free. And this strategy is actually welcome from BLT Strategy, from Diego Torres. Is giving to us this strategy completely for free. So, but he said very clear, I don't want to give in all my strategies straight away in one go because people will not learn. They need to learn. We need to see people that are interested from it. Okay, I said, yes, no problem. So how are we going to do it? He said to me, well, let's do one per week. So every Wednesday for 60 weeks from next, I think the next day is on the 2nd, if I'm not wrong, yes. So the 2nd of July, you're gonna have the first free every Wednesday on this channel. You're gonna have one video for free on the strategy. Video 1, video 2, video 3 every week. If you like it and you like more, keep going, learning, ask questions. I'm free to ask. You can ask the questions on this channel. You don't need to come in to us on our community, our City Traders Imperium, where you can talk to us. You can actually be here and talk to us, ask questions. That's no problem. But if you like to know more details about the BLT strategy, would you like to escape these 60 weeks of training, you can actually come into us directly and you can actually apply for that. So if you do go for our performance coach at City Traders Imperium Academy in this location, let me show you. If you see Academy, and we go the home of City Traders Imperium, and you can actually see that ourselves on City Traders Imperium Academy, and then you can actually apply for the full course at once. Yes, the 60 videos will be free, but there is another 60 more will be actually more complex, more advanced for those ones that want to refine their knowledge. Or if you want to apply for the one-to-one with coach with Diego, welcome, because he's very good and will make everything faster. Yes, so you need to wait 60 weeks from this. So let's go back to the video. So I'm going to create a group, a playlist for you to enjoy all those videos. So I'm gonna call this is gonna be the first video of the list, and then they follow up the next video, 1 and 2 and 3 up to 60 videos. So I hope you enjoy the videos, guys. Have a good day. Bye now.